capital of the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so you're in Manila right now.
Ah. Ano sa Resorts World?
Where?
Resorts World. Ano sa Resort World? Maxim.
I'm sorry, I don't know where that is though.
Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga.
What?
Very, very cute.
Very cute. Okay,
Basta
thank
bahay
you.
mo. Yung may house. Warehouse. Where the house?
What? You're asking me? You're asking me where? One more time. One more time. I want you to do it properly. Can you ask me again?
Yes.
Okay. What did you say?
What did you say? No, yun. Ano yun? What did you say daw? What did you say? Your... Ano sabi ko? Ano sabi ko? Where you the house?
Where is my house?
Yes.
Why? If I tell you my house, are you going here?
Huh? Because I'm go the house.
You're gonna go to my house.
Yeah.
Why?
You're... Why daw? Why? Para... Your meat?
You wanna meet me?
Yes. Wow.
Do you wanna meet me? Why? Why do you wanna meet me?
You may see your body.
What?
Your all body. Your stand.
Why?
May I see?
Why?
May I see? May I see?
Why?
You're okay.
Why?
I'm look.
Why do you want to look at my body?
Oh, no. That's my... No, ito na my body daw. Ano daw yun? Bakit daw ko siya pinatatayo? You may stand down. Stand.
Why? You need to tell me a
Stand
good
up.
reason first.
Because I see I need your body.
What? I don't understand. I really need to understand. What do you mean?
You're my height.
Oh, you want to know my height?
Yes.
How about you? What's your height?
Ano daw height ko? Ano sasabihin ko? Ano daw height ko? Ano sasabihin ko? Ang height ko. Ano height mo? Ako kaya. Mga 5'11". 5'11". Your house, you?
You're 5'11"?
Yes.
I'm 6'2".
6'2".
Yeah.
6'2". Oh. You're Americano, di ba? You're Americano. Americano? Americano?
Oh, I'm American. Yeah, I'm American. How about you?
Yung... Yeah, American daw siya.
Can you tell me more about yourself? Because I really want to talk to you.
You're my kiss.
What? What? What did you say?
Always, you're American. You're very, very beautiful.
Aw, that's so sweet of you need to say. Thank you very much. You're handsome as well.
Yes?
Yes?
Magtagalog ka naman.
Huh?
Marunong ka ba magtagalog? You speak the Tagalog?
What?
Ay. Speak Tagalog. No.
What's that?
Don't stay English. Don't say English.
One more time. Don't what? Don't?
Don't you're say Tagalog. Don't stay English.
You don't want me to speak in English.
No, you're Filipino.
What?
Filipino, no, speaking I not English, understand?
Oh. So, ibig mong sabihin, kuya, hindi ka marunong magtagalog.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, mag-English.
Magtagalog eh. Pinahirapan mo pa ako eh.
Mabura pa ako?
I'm sorry. Pinahirapan mo pa ako. Pinahirapan pa ako.
Ano?
Marunong ka pala magtagalog.
Marunong nga.
Eh, bakit di mo sinabi kaagad?
Eh, bakit ka ba kasi nag-i-English?
Ikaw na una mag-English eh.